All right, I'm here with Mikey Higgins and James Spears. Mikey, what'd you guys use to design your boat?
I just spent 20 minutes designing it on Tinkercad.
All right, James, how'd that process work?
So we went on Tinkercad. We designed it long ways so it would go fast, but it didn't go out so well.
All right, how do you think about your performance, Mikey?
I think it was pretty terrible. We only held 2 barrels.
All right, well, that's unfortunate, but James, I heard you had a pretty good name for your boat.
Yeah, the big tornado.
I'm here with Kenny and Warren. So, Kenny, could you tell us a little bit about your boat because you guys won the big division?
We decided to bigger size because it holds more weight than a smaller boat and doesn't move as fast, but it moved with two our big washers, so did pretty good for that.
All right, yeah, it worked out nice. All right, Warren, could you explain the process a little bit, the whole project?
So first we made a tinfoil boat, which we just folded up a little bit, and then we held like I think 120-ish pennies, which then it collapsed on us. Then we did one with some stability with popsicle sticks, which held 190, and then now we made the 3D printed ones, which held 2 washers.
All right, well, it worked out pretty good for you guys. All right, Molly, so why'd you pick the cone-shaped design?
Because we thought it would move better through the water and hold a lot of weight.
All right, I'm here with Miles. He's a little nervous to be on camera, but it's going to be all right. So, Miles, how'd you feel with the performance of your boat today?
I think it did good.
Just good, that's all?
Yeah, we won in the small category, but we came in last in the big one.
All right, he's a little nervous, but it went all right for him. All right, that's good.